Peak eruption through the fog. The seismogram which picks up the tremors inside the earth for rising magma, and the magma which contains volatiles, and they burst, and the explosion creates these patterns on the paper, is actually achieved. Volcano is on the peak of the eruption according to the seismograph. For a few brief moments, the clouds and fog became thinner, and we could see through the fog some of the activity that is going on. First, what we can see is that the edge of the volcano is now repaired. That means there is not much over spillage to actually repair and cover up, or over plaster, as we may call it, over lava it, the edges which are now broken in several places. So that is something that is we can see. We can see there is not much activity outside the main crater of the volcano also. We don't see any stream of lava coming out. So any activity must be invisible inside the lava tubes. Volcano is very tall now. Remember, over spillage needs a lot of pressure to rise the magma, and that's heavy.